I'm Jess Rowland, and I've spent the past 27 years as a server in some of LA's best restaurants. Now I'm coaching others to provide top-notch service. My tips equal more tips, and that's better for the bottom line. I'm looking for authenticity, commitment, and efficiency. I am the ace of service. I'm at Darrow's New Orleans Grill. This restaurant got hit hard by COVID. They're only open 4 days a week. They went from a staff of 20 to a staff of 5. What do we got here? Please be kind to our staff. They are doing their best in preparing your meal. Wait time will be longer than usual. They're already apologizing for their service before I even get in the door. Hey, Norwood.
Jess, welcome to Darrow's world.
Bring it in for the real thing.
Hey, man, you gonna sample a taste of New Orleans today?
Yeah, it feels like I'm already here. Norwood, the owner of Darrow's, is such a genuine guy. Tell me a little bit about Darrow's.
I was born in New Orleans. My family once cooked for the world-renowned Commander's Palace in the Garden District for over 27 years. When I came to California, I couldn't find that flavor of home. And then we had this new concept of a fast casual Cajun Creole with a full bar. We have a philosophy here. If you want to be a customer, we can't serve you. Okay. If you want to be family, you're welcome here. We want to make sure that you walk out of here better than you walked in here.
He's from New Orleans, and his food is authentic, but they need a little help with their service. What are your areas of opportunity? Why am I here?
We have a generation of people now, there's no sense of urgency.
And I'm looking for gears, too. I'm sure you have 7 gears like I do. A lot of these servers have 1 gear.
Right. I'll always put myself in the position of the consumer. How do I want to be treated when I'm walking into that particular establishment?
Can I stop you there? This goes against the grain. I don't treat people like I want to be treated. I treat people like they want to be treated. Because every single person is different.
Since 2020, we have a full bar with top shelf liquor with no mixologists.
No drinks being made is throwing money away. Do you know how much money you can make on these drinks if you just simply offer a drink?
But trust me, I agonize about that day and night, Jess.
That sign?
Be patient.
Yeah. You're giving an excuse before it even happens. I'm not thinking about it until you drew attention to it. Are you open to looking at things from a different point of view and a different lens?
That's what we try to identify right now, all the little blind spots that we have in the service aspect of our business.
Blind spots is a wonderful terminology because we all have them.
Exactly.
Okay, I've met Norwood. Now it's time to spy on the service.
Now, in the gumbo, you have blue crab, shrimp, chicken sausage, chicken andouille. We don't do customers here. We do family.
That's right.
Okay. Now, if you want to be a customer, I can't serve you. I can serve her, but I can't.
You only serve family?
I can only serve family here. So make up your mind before I pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger. Okay, your family.
He's got an amazing personality, and his knowledge is through the roof.
So we always want to demystify the menu for our first timers, because if you don't walk out of here better than you walked in here, we're gonna hold you hostage until you do, okay?
Okay.
Well, welcome to Darrow's. My name is Norwood. I'm one of the owners here.
Oh,
now,
good to meet you.
The word lagniappe is French.
Oh,
In
okay.
French, it means a little something extra.
Let's talk about Norwood's speech. I am buying it hook, line, and sinker. But it is way too long.
And the jambalaya has chicken sausage, turkey sausage, and chicken andouille, and chicken breast pieces.
I need drinks on that table. I need water on the table. I need something on that table.
Oh, cheers. There you go. This is very flavorful.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Very good. Gumbo is a 10-hour process to prepare.
Is Norwood doing too much? He's taking the orders. He's bringing out the plates. How are we training these people to do what he does? A great leader sees potential in others. He needs to create leaders so he can take a step back. You can't do all the work. You can't, you know what I'm saying? You're doing it all. So if you inspire these people to touch tables and connect with people, you can sit back and worry about money.
Where does this go? Oh, okay.
Rain has worked there a while and is literally learning on the job. She has no formal training.
Hello, we got the gumbo over here.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Enjoy, or may I bring you anything else?
What did you guys order by any chance? Gumbo, the catfish fillet stuff? Okay. It's over here.
Okay, I've seen enough. I am going in. Hi, Rain. I'm
Hi,
Jess.
nice to
Is there
meet
any
you.
way I can shadow you for a bit?
Of course.
All right, wonderful. Why don't we touch some tables? Do you know what that means?
No.
Touching tables means connecting with guests. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Hi. May I get any trash off your table?
Sure, I think we're done with this.
Yes, we're still eating.
We're on to dessert now, so
Yes.
thank you very much.
Okay.
You connected with that table, which was great, and you're starting to see things on the table, right? We don't want to call it trash. Can I take your trash?
Yeah.
Right? Because it's not trash. It's the best food in the business, right? But isn't this more fun connecting with people?
Keeps people coming back.
Yeah.
definitely.
We're good?
Yeah.
Let's go. 74.
Hi. We have a catfish supper here.
I'm new.
Good.
Yeah, I'm the new guy.
Gumbo's over here. We have some extra napkins.
Yeah, napkins. What else may I bring?
The hot sauce.
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce,
Okay.
napkins. Anything else? Insurance? All right, we're good. So do you see how one person wants something and you want to go, what else?
Yeah.
Just, you want to get all those three things all at once. There we
Right.
go. So let me see, where's your stuff? But they asked for
hot sauce?
more napkins. They asked for more napkins.
Didn't even hear that.
You gotta listen. Norwood mentioned blind spots. Yeah, there are some.
Here's some extra napkins and your hot sauce.
Your genuine smile and your laugh is so amazing, so why don't we shine that on more people? You do that more and more and more, and I think it'll get second nature for you.
Yeah, that makes sense. This is my first time working in a restaurant, so working with Jess is kind of like boot camp.
Here you go, 2 beers. Do you guys need any glasses by chance? Okay. Do you need anything else?
Marcel, great kid, super authentic, but he needs to have more gears. So another food just came out. It looks like Marcella's coming up. Could have been there 30 seconds earlier. Darrow's is fast casual. It needs to be faster. I think it's time to have some coachable moments. Let's talk a little bit about your speech. I want you, if you're open to it, to have a 5-minute spiel, a 1-minute spiel. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do the same magic that I have and just more succinct to get these people in and out.
Jess is allowing me to tweak my narrative, where still you can let people know about Darrow's, but you don't have to give them the whole dissertation.
My first order of business is I want you to work together more. You both were doing the same thing and you were kind of walking aimlessly and there was no structure. I need structure. I need you to be ping-ponging through these tables with a sense of urgency, making eye contact with people. May I get you anything else? Is really nice. If someone says, I'll have a straw, who else would like a straw? Efficiency, efficiency, efficiency. I want your blinders to open and I want you to start watching Norwood. His passion about the food, you can find your version of doing that. And I'm telling you, some of these things that I'm talking about will make you more money in the long run. What am I expecting to see different when I come back?
Definitely sense of urgency.
Some organization.
That teamwork.
And one more guest interaction. These guys have a lot of work to do, but I am excited to come back and see how they've progressed.
We will implement a lot of the great suggestions that Jess has, man. He's a wealth of knowledge.
I am back at Darrow's, fingers crossed that sign is gone and that they're all aces. All right, Norwood took down the apology sign. Love it.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Darrow's. I was told this is your first time here.
It is.
Anybody been to New Orleans before? Oh, that's where I was born. Welcome, man. Well, my folks used to cook for a very famous restaurant called the Commander's Palace. You place your order at the counter, then we'll bring everything out to you. So welcome to Darrow's world.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I am so impressed that Norwood has shortened his speech without losing his magical authenticity.
We don't like to give them a number. We want to get real personal with them. Oh, how did you hear about us? Have you had this type of food before?
Make them feel comfortable.
Make them feel comfortable, because this is Louisiana, this is New Orleans cuisine.
I am loving seeing Norwood coach Marcel on how to give the speech. Darrow's can have more than one ambassador. I'm seeing them delegate more. I'm noticing that certain people are busting tables and certain people are running hot food. I am noticing guest connection.
How was everything?
Everything was great.
Cool. Absolutely.
And above all, I am seeing structure.
2 po' boys?
Oh,
Ooh,
yeah.
Perfect, perfect. Anything else for you guys?
Now, I'm a Southern boy, and I just want to know, is this a true New Orleans style
Yeah,
po'
of
boy?
course. Actually, the owner is from New Orleans, so you should get a good kick out of that.
All right,
Wow.
well, we appreciate it, and
Thank you very
we'll
much.
enjoy the
Yeah,
sandwich.
no problem. Enjoy.
Rain is shining. What a smile. Norwood is behind the bar making drinks. That is what I'm talking about.
#1 drink in New Orleans, the Hurricane.
Hurricane.
The Hurricane.
Batten down the hatches.
This is great for the bottom line.
Well, we appreciate that, my friend.
Oh, man.
I am definitely seeing a transformation here. I know you're busy. I just have a couple things to say. I am so impressed. I'm blown away. The structure at this place is through the roof. I love it. I'm noticing you're connecting with the guests. It is awesome.
Jess is pretty cool. I really liked his energy. He helped us a lot.
I am more attentive, more aware, not just with one table, but with every table.
All right, Norwood, I am heading out. I just wanted to check in with you and see how you feel.
We truly appreciate you, man. Hopefully other restaurateurs and other businesses can learn from this as well, because of the fact that when you're so close to something, it's very challenging to be objective.
Darrow's has come a long way. Let the good times roll.
You are truly the ace of service.
And you are truly the ace of Cajun cooking.
Appreciate you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much.